I was fucked up. I mean, I hit rock bottom. The video on that video is inexcusable. I'm disgusted. I was disgusted then when I did it. I'm disgusted now. I went and I sought out professional help. Had to ask God for His mercy and grace. I'm so sorry. But I'm committed to be a better man each and every day.
Wagwan, my people. Pick up on yourself again. Yeah, man. Today we come here and touch upon a note. I touch upon a serious note today. Yeah, man. I touch P. Diddy. P. Diddy. Pick up yourself. That's road, that's every yard. Yeah, man. But now big you up today. Yeah, I said, thumbs down for you today. Yeah, man. Cause me I tell you, say, you see some crazy things that happen, man. You see you put out a video, man, where I say, I beg God, man, for you and apologize, man. Oh, God, man. You are the monster. Yeah, man. You see it in your face. You see monster in your face. Yeah, big up yourself, man. Cause guess what? We are Jamaica with it. We are yard, man. Guess what? We love P. Diddy from day one. P. Diddy. We are Jamaican fans, man. People in Jamaica rate you like that. So when they find out, say you're a real monster, I like you grow some monster youth, I'm gonna pray you terrible. Cause yo, you listen to P. Diddy all these days, you know, man. And you know, people meds from P. Diddy, you know. I wanna preach certain thing, you know. You them grow up on that, cause P. Diddy playing every dance hall. One P. Diddy must play every night. Just like a Tupac must play and a Biggie must play. A P. Diddy. Yo, man, God know P. Diddy. Yeah, monster, you let down people them. You come apologize and attack this and attack that and attack that. Now watch your face, watch your video, and we're looking at your face. What's he say? I want to have fake like a fake shows. Yeah, man. You're a real monster, man. You see it, man. You see it and enough people see it. Yeah, man, so Father God know, you know. So you have to go face your judgment, you know. You might can't talk to man, you know. You don't know you have to talk to God, you know. So thumbs down for you. Yeah, yes, man. Yes, my people, man. Believe it, man. See P. Diddy, he's a monster. He's a real monster. Yeah, man. Yes, this is a video where you come out. It's not nothing yet. This is just a small brush where they might give you. With some things and some evidence you could have did it. They hate him for life, man. You know people. Yeah, man. A monster do certain things, you know. Yeah, man. All monster, all beast. Yeah, man. You look like him see them come. The same kind of hooligan. Yeah, man. That's serious thing, you know. Yes, P. Diddy them are there, you know. That's some crazy thing, you know. So no normal thing, you know. I don't even want to talk so many things them way are there, you know. Because I know say, I know him one. Take a bag of people and a bag of team. One man can do this. Believe it. Yeah, man. So wait till I hear judgment and hear people and name that call. Because if you say I get with this, when I feel time, I feel time. Nothing can stop fear time. Believe it. When I feel time, I feel time. Let me repeat that. When I feel time, I feel time. P. Diddy, let's go and bend over and take your belt. Yeah. Because guess what? Enough people here bend over and give the belt. So, you and Father have to talk about that. Yeah, man. And not even a judge nor a lawyer, you know. You go to prison, you know. I get charged for what you want to do, you know. And your career tear down, you know. When it comes to Father time, you know, it beat you, you know. Right now, we're not even if a man a beat you, or a God a beat you. You put a turn every turn. And when you check it out, you end up a buck up. Yeah, man. Look what I'm to your son. Them now all year, you know, somebody have to feel it, you know. Yeah, man, and if you're a monster like that, and say your son clean, you know if you're not going to stand up for your son, you're going to just play the same kind of man stop on him and make him bite where I bite. So, believe, man, what they have to see, what they have to watch. You watch your video, and we hear what you say. Now go play out your video, you know. There's some copyright things to me play. Couple clips in the intros. Make some people hear what I go on. So, Monster P Diddy, big up yourself. Matter of fact, thumbs down for you. Big up Jamaica. Yeah, man. Bless up yourself all the time. And love. Ladman TV out.